Meaning of email.
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 Email. Email, short for electronic mail, refers to the transmission of messages and files via the Internet or other computer networks. It involves sending and receiving text and multimedia content such as images and documents, using email addresses that serve as unique identifiers for each user. Email has become a common method of communication in both personal and professional settings, with many people relying on it to stay connected with friends, family, and colleagues. Its ease of use, convenience, and ability to facilitate quick and efficient communication make it a popular tool in the digital age.